We made it here in Kona, in Big Island. This is our Airbnb. This is the Jeep. People are so nice here. They upgraded us the Honeymoon and I forgot what other discount, but they gave us a really good price. And then here's the entrance to our guest room. Super cute. At night they light these up. So cute. So nice. So clean. Here's the actual room. It is so pretty. So when we got in here last night, they had the music playing. They had it set to like a purple light. This is a convertible table, so it can take less space if we need it. If we need more space, this reclines. There's an Apple TV that has Hulu, Netflix, all that jazz. And some floor mats on each side so it's not cold in the morning. Nice window and beautiful bathroom. Super clean. This was all made up, but this is the next morning, so super cute. Nice mirror that turns on. Wow, my hair looks ugly. Clean. The cute and aesthetic. Smells so good, feels so clean. It's our Airbnb. I love it here. They even asked us to take our shoes off so that it stays clean and to clean up everything. What is this? They asked us to take off our shoes when we walk in and to wash the dishes so that no bugs come in here. So we're trying to keep it clean because it's really awesome. I love it. They even gave us some chocolate.
Musical, artistic, and literary genius is done. You cannot really teach it. You can put the tools for doing these things into people's hands, but whether they will use those tools with genius is quite unpredictable.